Hello friends, today I'll discuss some important question answer that had come in the first previous year government exams. And these question answer are very important for your upcoming government exams. So today I'm going to discuss the question answer from ancient India. So these are miscellaneous question answers and I have covered this question answer from all periods in ancient India. So before moving to the question answer, I will show you some images. These images will help you to remember your answers. And so let's see the images. This is the image of Chanakya. And we know this person's other names are Kautilya and Vishnugupta. Move to the next image. This is the statue of our this is our national statue, and this statue was taken from the Ashokan Empire. Okay, and let's move to the next statue. So these are some rare sculptures that our archaeologists had excavated from different places across our country. Move to the next image. You can see this image. This is a sculpture, a rare sculpture. And move to the next image, and this is the Mauryan Empire, and you can see how vast the empire was in Mauryan time. And look at the next image and see this is a rare image of, you can see this is a rare image of Romans in ancient India. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's move to the question answer. So first question is, which among the following is the oldest dynasty? The options are Maurya, Gupta, Kushan, Kanva. The correct answer is Maurya. What do the paintings of Ajanta depict? The options are Ramayana, Mahabharata, Jatakas, Panchatantra. So the correct answer is Jatakas. Move to the next question. The subject matter of Ajanta painting pertains to what? The options are Jainism, Buddhism, Vaishnavism, Shaivism. The correct answer is Buddhism. Move to the next question. Where did the game of chess originate? The options are India, Persia, Arabia, Europe. The correct option is India. Move to the next question. The caves and rock cut temples at Ellora are, the options are Hindu and Buddhist, Buddhist and Jain, Hindu and Jain, Hindu, Buddhist and Jain. The answer is Hindu, Buddhist and Jain. Move to the next question. When was the Panchatantra retained? And the options are Maurya period, Kanishka period, Gupta period, Harsha period. You must remember Panchatantra was written in Gupta period, and this Panchatantra was written by Vishnu Sharma. Move to the next question. Which one of the following sources of Islam is associated with the teachings of Prophet Muhammad? The options are Quran, Hidayah, Fiqh, Sunnah. The correct option is Quran. The next question is a matching. So you have to match list 1 with list 2. So under list 1 you can see these are some placement of mark or monuments, and in list 2 you will have some states name. So let's match them. First monument is first monument is Kajugu Malai. Kajugu Malai is located in where? So Kajugu Malai is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. Mandu is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Palitana is located in the state of Gujarat, and Ranakpur is located in the state of Rajasthan. Yeah? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Takshila University was situated in where? The options are Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Burma. The correct option is Pakistan. Next question is, Bhagavatism centered around the worship of which god? Lord Shiva, Bhagavati, Skanda, or Lord Vishnu? So the correct option is Lord Vishnu. Move to the next question. Fa Hien and Hiuen Shang visited the kingdom of whom? The options are Chandragupta Maurya, Harsha, respectively. Harsha and Chandragupta Vikramaditya, respectively. Chandragupta Vikramaditya and Krishna Deva, respectively. Chandragupta Vikramaditya and Harsha, respectively. The correct answer is Chandragupta Vikramaditya and Harsha, respectively. Move to the next question. The decimal system was first known in India at the beginning of which century? 2nd century AD, 3rd century AD, 4th century AD, 5th century AD. You must remember the answer is 5th century AD. So today I will conclude here, and next we will continue this series, and I will bring such more important videos for you that must be helpful for your upcoming government exam preparation. So I hope you have liked this video and it would be helpful for your preparations. Best of luck. If you like the video and if you find the video helpful in any way, then please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.